How to think like a real estate investor, not a gambler. Most people who call themselves real estate investors are not investors at all. They're gamblers. And the difference between the two is not experience, money, or luck. It's how they think. A gambler buys a property and hopes the market goes up. They hope interest rates drop. They hope the neighborhood improves. They hope someone else will pay more for it later. That's not investing. That's speculation. A real investor doesn't rely on hope. A real investor relies on numbers. And the most important number in real estate is cash flow. Let me be very clear about this. If a property does not pay you to own it from day one, it is not an asset. It is a liability. It may look good on paper. It may make you feel successful. But if it costs you money every month, it is working against you. This is where most people ask the wrong question. They ask, how much will this house be worth in 5 years? That question assumes the market will save you. A real investor asks a different question. Does the income cover the debt today? Does the rent cover the mortgage? Does it cover taxes and insurance? Does it cover maintenance, vacancies, and repairs? And after all of that, does it still put money in your pocket? If the answer is yes, you are investing. If the answer is no, you are gambling. Cash flow changes everything. When a property pays you every month, you're not forced to sell when the market shifts. You're not stressed about interest rates. You're not panicking during downturns. You can hold. You can adjust. You can wait. That's control. When you rely on appreciation, you give up control. You're depending on things you cannot influence, like government policy, lending standards, inflation, and buyer emotion. Hope is not a strategy. Cash flow is. Now, does appreciation happen? Of course it does. But smart investors treat appreciation as a bonus, not the plan. The plan is simple. Buy right. Structure the deal correctly. Make sure the income covers the debt. Because when the numbers work today, time becomes your ally instead of your enemy. So here's the mindset shift you need to make. Stop thinking like a homeowner. Stop thinking like a speculator. Start thinking like a business owner. If the property pays you, it's an asset. If it doesn't, it's a liability, no matter how nice it looks. Think like an investor, not a gambler. That's how real wealth is built in real estate. If this made you think differently about real estate, go ahead and click like, share this with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to the channel. I break this stuff down so you can invest smarter, not gamble harder. See you in the next one.